Struggling with stubborn pet hair or dust bunnies hiding in the corners of your home? Here are the 5 best upright vacuums I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe. This vacuum caught my attention with its powerful suction and unique lift-away feature, priced around $200. If you want a vacuum that can tackle both carpets and hard floors with ease, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Shark Navigator has powerful multi-surface suction, meaning it can deep clean carpets while also gliding smoothly over hard floors. It features a detachable pod for cleaning under furniture and hard-to-reach areas, which is crucial when you're trying to maintain a clean home. Plus, it has anti-allergen complete seal technology that works with a HEPA filter, trapping dust and allergens so they don't escape back into the air. With over 30,000 units sold just this month and a solid reputation, it's clear that people love this vacuum. Now, some users complained about its weight being a bit on the heavier side. Here's the thing though, while it may take a little effort to maneuver, the powerful cleaning abilities make it worth it, especially for homes with pets. This is perfect for you if you're a pet owner or have multiple surfaces to clean. Skip this one if you're looking for a super lightweight option, as it does weigh more than some alternatives. For its price and performance, it's a great value. Now, if the weight of the Shark Navigator bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. We have the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Liftoff, retailing at around $149.99. This vacuum is all about handling pet hair effectively, so if that's your main struggle, this is definitely worth a look. What makes it stand out is the lift-off detachable pod, which lets you clean hard-to-reach areas without the bulk of the entire vacuum. It also has a tangle-free brush roll that prevents hair from getting stuck, which is a game changer for pet owners. Plus, its HEPA-sealed allergen system keeps allergens contained, ensuring the air in your home remains clean. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among buyers. However, some users pointed out that the suction could be stronger on thicker carpets. But I'll be real with you. If you're primarily dealing with pet hair and less dense carpets, the suction is more than adequate. It's designed for convenience and effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you have pets and want to minimize allergens in your home. Skip this one if you have heavy, plush carpets, as it might not be as effective on those. Considering its features and price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a lightweight alternative. Product number 3. Eureka Airspeed Ultra Lightweight. Coming in at a budget-friendly $59.98, the Eureka Airspeed Ultra Lightweight is a fantastic choice for those who want something easy to maneuver. Its lightweight design at just 7.7 pounds caught my eye, making it perfect for quick cleanups. What's great about this vacuum is its all-floor suction capability. It can handle carpets and hard floors with ease. The quick release handle is super convenient for above floor cleaning, so you won't feel like you're wrestling with your vacuum every time you want to clean your upholstery or ceiling corners. Plus, the washable filter means no extra costs for replacements, and with over 10,000 units flying off the shelves, it's clearly meeting a need. Now, some users mentioned that the vacuum can be a bit loud during operation. Here's the thing though, the power it delivers is worth a little noise, especially if you're looking for efficiency at an unbeatable price. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a reliable vacuum. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter model or have a lot of thick carpet to clean. For its low price and decent performance, it's a great value. Now, if the noise level of the Eureka bothered you, the next one offers a quieter yet powerful alternative. Product number 4. Shark Navigator Liftaway. The Navigator Liftaway, priced at $199.99. This vacuum caught my eye for its versatility and ability to tackle pet hair with ease, making it ideal for multi-surface cleaning. One of its best features is the lift-away functionality, which allows you to detach the pod for above-floor cleaning, perfect for stairs and furniture. The The anti-allergen complete seal traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, so if you suffer from allergies, this is a big plus. With an extra large dust cup of 0.87 liters, you can clean longer without constantly emptying it. Given its popularity with over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear users appreciate its performance. However, some people found it a little bulky and hard to store, but I think the power and versatility more than make up for that, especially if you have a variety of surfaces to clean. This is perfect for you if you need a vacuum that can handle both carpets and hard floors effectively. Skip this one if space is a concern, as its size might be a downside for smaller homes. For its capabilities, I think it delivers great value. Now, if the bulkiness of the Navigator concerns you, the final product on my list is a light and nimble option. Product number 5, the Shark Rocket Ultralight. Retailing around $99, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight and can convert into a handheld model, making it perfect for versatile cleaning from floors to ceilings. At under 9 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, and the fingertip controls let you switch between surfaces quickly. The swivel steering feature allows you to glide around furniture easily, which is something I genuinely appreciated. The easy empty dust cup means you won't be spending extra time emptying it during your cleanups. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice for those who prioritize convenience. However, a few users noted that the suction may not be as strong as heavier models. But here's the thing. If you're looking for something lightweight without sacrificing too much cleaning power, I think it's a great compromise. This is perfect for you if you need a vacuum that's easy to handle and store. Skip this one if you have extensive carpeted areas, as it may struggle a bit. For the price and versatility, it's a fantastic choice. Now, let's wrap things up. To recap, we've explored 5 great upright vacuums. The Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe is fantastic for pet owners, while the Bissell Pet Hair Arister is perfect for tackling fur and allergens. The Eureka Airspeed is budget-friendly, and the Shark Navigator Liftaway offers versatility, while the Shark Rocket Ultra Light is all about convenience. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe because of its powerful suction and liftaway feature. I'd recommend avoiding the Eureka if noise is a concern for you.